Just like our members, absolutely disappointed, frustrated.
NAPE President Jerry Earle was not happy this morning after there was no union representation on a working group aimed at helping fix staffing shortages and systemic pressures facing the provincial courts.
My message was clear. We are not accepting the exclusion of frontline workers and the union that represents them. If they are not going to remedy this, I have already said, and I will state here, that we will push back and push back assertively.
But not long after speaking with NTV News, Earle met with the Justice Minister and was offered a seat at the table in the newly formed working group. The province's largest union represents sheriff's officers, and Earle says recruitment and retention will play a big role in finding solutions.
Bottom line, it comes down to being able to retain the staff that work in our courtrooms, the sheriffs, which are critical, the courtroom staff, which are critical, just as critical as the judge and the Crown prosecutors, I would say, and they would say. So we have to look at that. Why are they leaving?
The news comes a week after the decision was made to suspend things like civil and traffic hearings and Contraventions Act cases indefinitely in St. John's, Grand Falls, Windsor, and Stephenville. The provincial court said it is facing what it's calling challenging times.
The people of Newfoundland and Labrador deserve much better. Not a notice stuck on a courtroom door. That's how you're going to pronounce a significant change in our courtroom system.
There's nothing broken here that can't be fixed.
Justice Minister Helen Conway-Ottenheimer announced Thursday they formed the new working group, featuring Robin Fowler, the Chief Judge of the Provincial Court, members of the Law Society, and more. NAPE wasn't part of the group when it was announced Thursday, but has since been added.
So we're really taking as many proactive measures as possible to address these problems that we're seeing.
The working group will meet before the holidays and hopes to have its recommendations ready in less than 2 months. Ben Cleary, NTV News.